Hello everyone. Want to look absolutely radiant this Eid? Want your skin to glow, your confidence to shine, and people to ask, what's your secret? Then this video is made just for you. Today we're diving deep into Eid self-care preps, from skincare and grooming to mental health and styling, everything you need to glow up for Eid. So grab your cup of tea and let's begin this transformation together. Part 1, Skincare Glow Up. 1. Start early, begin your skincare. A simple nightly routine can do wonders. 2. Natural DIY face mask. 2 to 3 times/week mix 1 tablespoon gram flour, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, and rose water or milk to create a glowing face mask. Leave on for 15 minutes, instant brightness. 3. Hydration. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Hydration is the secret to healthy skin. 4. Moisturize every night. Apply a good moisturizer before bed. Dry, flaky skin is the enemy of a fresh Eid look. 5. Sunscreen is a must. Never step out without SPF 50 sunscreen. It protects against tanning and pigmentation. Part 2, Grooming Prep. 1. Haircut and hair treatment. Get a haircut. At home, do a nourishing oil treatment. Mix coconut oil plus castor oil and leave it in for a few hours. 2. Beard grooming. For men, trim, shape, and start using beard oil. A neat beard elevates your entire look. 3. Nails and hands. Clean, trim, and moisturize your nails. Soft, clean hands are a small but powerful detail. Part 3, Body and fragrance tips. 1. Body scrub. Make a DIY scrub, 1 spoon coffee plus sugar plus olive oil. Use it twice a week for silky smooth skin. 2. Bath routine. Deep cleanse your body with a mild, fragrant body wash. A refreshing shower is self-care too. 3. Perfume hack. Apply perfume to your pulse points, wrists, neck, behind the ears. Bonus tip. Apply a bit of petroleum jelly first, it helps the scent last longer. Part 4, Mental self-care. 1. Relaxation. Take 10 minutes a day to relax, meditate, stretch, or go for a calm walk. 2. Gratitude practice. Write down 3 things you're thankful for every night. A positive mindset gives off a natural glow. So friends, that was your complete self-care prep guide, head to toe. You'll look fresh, confident. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment your favorite tip, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.